Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the upper right hinge bracket on your fridge. The reason why you might do this is because your refrigerator door is not closing properly. For this repair, you'll need a 3/8 nut driver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply. I'm going to have to use a step stool to get up here and be able to see it. So we're going to take our Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 3 screws that hold the plastic cover on. Take the plastic cover off. Now we'll take our 3/8 nut driver and we'll remove these screws holding the bracket on. So keep in mind, when you remove the screws from the bracket, there won't be anything holding the fridge door to the fridge. So you'll want to either use a piece of tape or have a friend hold the fridge steady so that it doesn't fall on you. Now that we have the screws out, we can remove the bracket like so. Now take your new OEM replacement bracket and we'll set that right here. Line up the holes as best we can. And before you finish tightening it down all the way, just make sure that the door is where you want it. And once you're sure that it is in the correct position, tighten those screws down all the way. You can replace the plastic cover. Then just open and close the fridge door to make sure that it's opening and closing properly and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.